Hi, my name is George Saldana, and I'm a Harris County Family Court veteran. I've been in the Harris County Family Courts for the last 7 years. This video is going to be on judge shopping or venue shopping. In Harris County, there's a dirty trick where lawyers like to circumvent or go around the trial court and go to another court to ensure that they are able to obtain a protective order. I believe this is a very dirty, unethical tactic, but let's get into it. So this is me questioning my ex. My ex is the A for answer and the Q is for question. And again, this is me questioning my ex in final trial. This is going to be located in Houston, Harris County. I've been in the 257th court. I was in the 257th court for many, many years. And my ex went around the 257th court to the 280th in order to obtain a protective order. So as I get into the questioning, okay, so then a protective order was done in 2020. Is that right? My ex answered, yes. And who filed the motion for the protective order? My ex answered, the amicus. Now, the amicus doesn't have an individual client. An amicus is kind of like an arm of the court. The guardian ad litem, which she was not a guardian ad litem, a guardian ad litem is the lawyer for the child. So the amicus files this motion for a protective order going around the trial court. And why was the protective order filed by the amicus attorney in the 280th instead of dealing with it in the trial court, the 257th? My ex answered, because, Judge, it felt like Judge Peak, who was the judge in the 257th, was not going to listen. This is an indication of judge shopping. Basically, I'm not wanting to go to my trial court because I pretty much know how my judge is going to rule, and I want to go to another court so I can get or more favorable outcome from that judge. So my ex went around the trial court, the 257th court, and went to the 280th court, which is well known for handing out protective orders. And again, my ex's response was, it felt like Judge Peak was not going to listen. So the first question is, did the amicus file this protective order for my ex or for the child? Was there a parent or was there an attorney-client privilege there? I know what I believe to know is true. Tell me what you think. But let's go to part 2 right now. And so in part 2, it's the court, the respondent, which I am, and attorney Carolyn Robertson, board certified attorney Carolyn Robertson out of Harris County. The court. And did the court order a protective order against you? The respondent, yes, ma'am. And again, Ms. Pena gave the affidavit, which again is incorrect. We went over that. And if you hear the testimony from Ms. Pena, she said that she knew Judge Peak wouldn't honor a protective order, so they went to the 280th. With that being, and then I was cut off. Attorney or opposing counsel, attorney Cook Robertson, that was a misstatement of her testimony. The court sustained it. So there again, the petitioner said that they went around the 257th to the 280th. I said it, but opposing counsel is saying that it was a misstatement. Tell me what you think about this in the comments below. I'm not even going to edit it. I'm done with this. This is in Harris County. It's that bad.